Guys, click on the subscribe button on my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest information on my videos immediately. Welcome to Tech Aditya and I'm Adit, your today's host, and I'll be doing unboxing of this cool keyboard Logitech K230. I just received it from Amazon today, and sorry for the flash shining like sun on the box. I have to do this to get rid of the flickering in the video, that 50-60 hertz shit, I don't know. So let's get to know some features point of this keyboard, and let's just do a little bit focus on the back side here. Actually, I'm dealing here with fixed focus, tap and focus thing. So here you go, a 10-meter range of wireless receiving, 2 years of battery life, and a sleek style and comfortable colorful options. And there you get a comfortable space saving design. The main feature is it's spill resistant, keeping the cost in mind, only 1000 rupees. So let's just start with the unboxing. Now here you can see that the box is very colorful, made of cardboard. Every box, oops, I forgot to cut the second seal. Actually, it's a kitchen knife, as I'm not a professionalist unboxer. Oops, it's upside down. Bottoms up. Now it's inverted, so leave it. Here are the two color options, blue and a pink. The keyboard itself comes with a white panel, so let's keep them aside and take out the receiver. Yeah, this little guy here is the receiver for your, oops, it's shining, I should keep it like this and try focusing here, and there it goes. The focus is trying to, yes, it's correct. Now you can see this receiver, it's very small. You can put it in front or back of your desktop, and it was recommended that this receiver should be in line of sight of wireless keyboard regardless of which keyboard are you using. So that will be a main key point to test. This is garbage, this is the guide, and I do not want to read this guide, so keep them apart. And what's this thing here? Oh, it's a sort of guide to install the receiver. Good, I should keep those garbage inside the box and keep the box away. Now coming to the keyboard, unwrapping it. Wow, laptop styled mechanical keyboard. Yeah, yes, it feels like mechanical, but it is, it will not give you that tactile feedback for gaming, but its tactile feedback is still really cool. Now looking at this keyboard, it's sleek, it's compact, it's all what I want. Yeah, so I have to adjust the camera. Oh my god, I wish I should have a wide angle lens. Struggling. So yeah, that will be the point, and I'll be removing the box from here. Just get out of the way. Hey man, take this away. Take this please. Yes. Now comes the keyboard. What's this? Try to pull it out. Nothing. Well, how to open it? Yes. Push it down from the upside. You can see, push down from the upside and just remove it. Here goes the two AAA batteries. They are set to last for approximately 2 years, so that's a good thing. And I like the blue one. Pink is for girls, man, and white is not trendy. Now I'll install this receiver down. Here you go, and my desktop recognizes it. Boom. Yeah. One thing which I need to tell, that this keyboard, yeah, you can type while resting flat, but as you will see, the backwards. Yeah. Now first of all, it doesn't got any LED notification for caps lock and everything. Now the thing comes, when you flip it backwards, you get razors. You can, flap them on and get a decent inclination. And here is a port where you can actually keep your receiver if you are using this keyboard as portable or in a journey using with your laptop or any sort of device. Now here is an on off button, so let's get started. This is a very comfortable inclination. Yeah, so just let's check its latency. Till now I doesn't, I pressed only one key. How can I decide on this? So I need to go further and do some browsing. Yes. It feels very soft on hand. It's not that hard to press the keys like the other mechanical keyboards out there, and there is a pretty good tactile feedback that I have actually pressed the keys. So first point, which is a pro, enough tactile feedback with comfortable key presses. That's good. And yeah, this was the first point. Now what you will be thinking that, hey man, I would buy a wired mechanical keyboard that provide better tactile feedback, and good brands provide soft touch also. Then it's a good thing. If you are just like that, you could buy. Now I will be testing it on fast typing so that it misses some of the keystrokes or just type incorrectly. I will check. Now my speed 2 to 3 keystrokes per second. That's the max I could reach, and I'll be seeing this. So now you guys will be seeing that my left hand is resting, but it's not resting, it's actually pressing. Yes, so typing, searching for the second pro, whether it leaves keystrokes or not. And till now, yeah, it's pretty much I have came to a conclusion here. The conclusion, not the conclusion, because that will be at the end of this video. It's the intermediate conclusion. This keyboard doesn't miss any keystrokes. At whatever speed you type, it will pick up that speed. No keystrokes vanished, no typos. A very laptop style desktop keyboard. And you should keep in mind that my keyboard receiver, is not in line of sight of the keyboard. The signals have to pass through two wooden planks, making up to 4 centimeters thick plank. So that's a very good, and believe me, you guys will be having thinner wooden planks, computer tables. It didn't miss any single letter. Second test also passed. Till now, there is no difference in a wired mechanical keyboard and this wireless Logitech soft touch keyboard. I would rather prefer wired ones because they are cheap. So let's change the game. Let's play some games. Starting with the Tomb Raider. Yeah, it's my all-time favorite. It's a new release. New release for me because the game releases on the day you download it. It's my thinking, because without downloading a game, if it's released, there's no profit for you. So it released 3 months ago for me. And yes, you're seeing I have made some progress in this game. I have played the full game without accepting any challenges, just the main story. I finished that, and now I am getting into the challenges, every challenge I can find. Fine, sorry. Now, do consider that I'm not on drugs. I'm trying English accent, so there may be some mistakes. There may be many mistakes. Ignore them. I'm just 21 years old. What do you expect from me? I'm not PewDiePie. I'm not. So just bear with it, and here is the gameplay you want to enjoy. I will do a time lapse here because that will make the video unnecessarily very lengthy and you will be getting bored. So from this moment it's going to be time lapsed. So this is a time lapsed video and I'm playing maximum 3 keystrokes at a time, so it's decent, it's working nice. And by working nice I mean it is not competing the mechanical wired keyboards. Yeah, the performance is the same I should say. It's maintaining its level. Now to really push the limit of this keyboard to extend and check the wireless reception the Logitech has come up with, I will need to play some more games like racing games and games like Just Cause 3. So this was the starting up. A soldier have to warm up before getting into combat. It was like a warm up for this keyboard before getting into real testing arena. So that was all for this gameplay. The gameplay is tested and the keyboard performed very well in this gameplay. I would say 10 out of 10. Accurately same performance as you expect from a gaming keyboard. Yeah, it's good. So now I will play Need for Speed on the same keyboard, Rivals, because the latest No Limits is online game. Internet connection in India, after so many revolutions, still is not dependable at all. Don't know, you can get 1 Mbps to 50 Mbps of downloading speeds every day. Suddenly you realize that speed no more. You cannot even crush 200 kbps of streaming. That's ridiculous. So let's just head to the gameplay and see how it performs. Again, a time lapse for you guys to check out, and do mind there will be long loading times because I do not have a very powerful CPU. I do have a powerful CPU, but it's not DDR4. So DDR3 8GB is at its peak for what it can do. So get ready for another time lapse. Now mind that these time lapse are 4x of the original speed, so you will see 4x speeds that reduce the loading times. Also, as you can see, my processor is not that fast, as you will see. Setting the camera again so that you can see both the keyboards and the display. Now it's correct, I assume. And just enjoy the gameplay. And I mind you that I will not be playing music or any type of sound in this gameplay particularly. Yes, any of these gameplay, because this is not a gameplay video at all. I'm testing this keyboard, and in this session I will be pushing the limits of this keyboard. Yeah, because there will be continuous continuous key press for moving forward and backward. There will be drifting, nitrox, and Tech Pursuit 1 and 2, and handbrakes, brakes, easy drive menus, and you can make them combo. Is I managed to get on a combo of 4 key presses at the same time, and two of them were at least the continuous key presses. So that was amazing. Now what do you expect from a gaming keyboard? Let's forget that this is a normal keyboard. It is a gaming keyboard. So you expect no lag, and as many key combos you throw at it, the computer should respond to each and every of them without any lag. This it does. Now when you are playing on mechanical keyboards, wired ones especially, and if you consider some cheap brands out there, you will see that they do not register 4 key presses. They will miss one of them. And this, my friend, has registered 4 key presses simultaneously 10 to 12 times in this gameplay. That's amazing. And now it seems like it, stand above the performance level of those wired mechanical keyboard, but it is still not in the range of gaming keyboard. I mean, gaming keyboard has LED lights popping up brightfully. They have a very aggressive designs. Yeah, they are very aggressive designs, man. I have seen and used one of them. I haven't used them, but I have seen them at my friend's house. They are so much colorful. Oh my god, I can't forget. So now let's come to the legendary game Just Cause 3, and that will decide the limits. Now Just Cause 3 is a very heavy game. Running at full settings is a miracle for this PC. I don't know how it manages, and how it manages out, I don't know. CPU, RAM, graphics card goes crazy running this game. So, and I have decided to pass the gaming keyboard qualifications. I will use a 5 key combo. Actually 6. Yes. And try that all the 6 get registered in this gameplay. So this is gonna be fascinating, and here I'll be testing that how many key presses it can get. If you are expecting this as a gaming keyboard, if you eliminate all those fancy designs and LED lighting, you want gaming keyboard just for gaming, you don't give a damn shit about LED lights and design, it should register 6 keys. I mean, this is the basic. Yes, it does. 7 to 8 times I tried that combo, and it worked really well, I must say. Now this game do have high combos, but that are in combat. So wrapping up this video, I say you can use this as a gaming keyboard, you can use this as a regular keyboard. The keys are not noisy in typing, they are very smooth to press, there is no lag, whether the receiver is in line of sight or is not, no matter. And yes, on a 2 AAA batteries you will get a lifetime of 2 years using 4 hours each day. So that was the conclusion, and here this is performance is greater than wired mechanical keyboard and falls in the region of a decent gaming keyboard. Yeah, now you might test it on games like Mortal Kombat X and Taken on the PC, where you have to get combos like 10 keystrokes and 11 keystrokes. Nobody in this universe has 11 fingers on hand, or do they? Like I did 6 keys with 5 hands. So that was a joke. So if you don't like this video, dislike it. I hope you liked it, so give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you are new, then subscribe to my channel so that I can grow. Bye bye.